Yes, I would say that if you look at climate finance, it's very urgent to act. That's the first, and we need beneath the public money we can give as governments. In order to, for example, meet the 100 billion, we have to shift the trillions, and therefore we need not only the public money, but we need also private money. And this platform is about how to leverage public money by private money, have actors in, and so Luxembourg launched the platform together with the EIB 3 weeks ago in Luxembourg. We made a memorandum of understanding. It's 30 million euro for the next years in order to work to attract others, third-party private investors, in order to make concrete climate action.
So the EIB has for some years now been investing in environmentally positive funds. We have a considerable capacity, a considerable savoir-faire in this. But there are always circumstances when it is difficult for us, the risks are too great, the sector is too new, and for us the very big value of this Luxembourg contribution is that it will allow us to support some of the more challenging funds. We have already done funds in biodiversity, in soil decontamination, in sustainable agroforestry, but we will be able probably to do more funds in that type of area. Also perhaps some more traditional areas, but in different geographies. And using this Luxembourgish government money, we will be able, as the Minister said, to put a multiplier on, and what starts out as 30 by the time it is investment on the ground will be a multiple of 30, perhaps 100, 150, maybe more.
So I think as a government, for us it is important to have a new model of working together, attracting more money, and I think that we are front runners at the moment, so we hope that more countries will follow this model.
Indeed, and Luxembourg government, and I should say thank you to the Luxembourg government for the confidence they have shown in us to do this with them. But I hope this is the beginning of a process, that it's not the last bird in the process. And my own little dream is that in a few years' time we'll be looking back at this, and it will have been replicated by other governments, hopefully with us, and we will say this is the Luxembourg model.
Here in Marrakesh, we have the opportunity to show our commitment. So I see that there are more than 100 parties who already ratified the Paris Agreement. There's lots of dynamic, and if I look at my country, while I'm staying here, we are launching a very public process of really greening the economy, and I would say we should now speak about the opportunities, the challenges, yes, but also the opportunity side of climate change, tackling some of the big issues like clean air, like environment and climate opportunities, to choose democratization of energy, and all those opportunities. We should highlight them in order to convince those who are not already convinced that we have to act urgently to go this step with us. So this is, I would say, we should be optimistic and convince people to stay with us on the right side of those who are fighting climate change.